What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Jarek LG, and today I'm going to show you how to stake your ETH on Coinbase for the future. Let's get it. So, staking ETH is just staking regular ETH onto the Ethereum 2 network. So you're providing liquidity to the network before it comes out. So your funds are going to be locked up until this network is fully complete and fully out. So this just incentivizes holding. I don't plan to sell my ETH or spend it for anything, so I'm fine with staking it and gaining a little bit up to 6% APR in interest, or you're receiving 6% each month. I'm still a little bit of a rookie on ETH, so this is kind of the beginner walkthrough from a beginner. So let's hit stake now. You're about to stake your Ethereum to get Ethereum 2. While staking, your Ethereum 2 will be locked and unavailable to sell or send until the ETH2 network is fully launched, or until trading is otherwise offered. During this time, your ETH2 will earn up to 6% APR. So, not that it's saying it's going to earn 6% APR, but it up to. That is the limit that you can earn. I'm going to say understand. Let's stake all Ethereum from regular Ethereum to Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum can't be unstaked, sold, or sent until the ETH2 network fully launches or trading is otherwise offered. By selecting Stake Now below, you're agreeing to the terms of ething. Learn more. So let's just read it a little bit. What is Ethereum 2? Ethereum 2.0 is an upgrade to the Ethereum network that aims to improve the network security and scalability. This upgrade involves Ethereum shifting their current mining model to a staking model. What is staking? Staking is the process of actively participating in transaction validation similar to mining. And on proof of stake POS blockchain, on these blockchains, anyone with a minimum required balance of a specific cryptocurrency can validate transactions and earn staking rewards. What are the rewards for staking ETH? You may earn up to 6% APR in any ETH that you stake as a reward for helping secure the network. ETH2 staking rewards are given in accordance to how much ETH is validating what rewards the network is offering over a time period. When there is a very little ETH stake, the protocol rewards increase as an incentive for more ETH to come online. On the other hand, when there's already a lot of ETH stake, the reward is reduced via the current amount of ETH stake. Are there risks staking ETH? Staking can be rewarding, but it also comes with the risk of loss of principal funds if the validator duties are not met. However, Coinbase will cover these risks at no extra cost, so your principal is safe. Coinbase cannot guarantee that the upgrade to the Ethereum network will be successful, and it is not responsible for any Ethereum loss to unsuccessful network upgrade or other factors not within our control. So, is there a staking minimum and maximum? No, there is no minimums to stake on Coinbase. There is a maximum amount of ETH that each customer can stake to help manage network limits. This maximum amount will change over time and is not specific to your individual account. What are the eligibility requirements? Hold ETH in your Coinbase account. Live in an eligible country for ETH staking. Complete identity verification. You complete the ID document verification, and you read the terms and conditions with ETH staking. So, how do you get started with ETH staking? I'm about to show you guys. Let's go get it. So, $206 with a staking reward of 6%. We read that it can't be unstaked, sold, or sent until ETH2 network fully launches or trading is otherwise offered. So, this network needs to be fully out and running before you're able to sell or send this ETH, which is fine with me. I'm a hodler, so let's stake it right now. Your order was submitted. Okay, let's view the account. Overview. And so it's pretty simple. It's going to show us our lifetime rewards. Lifetime rewards, 0.02 ETH. Rewards received. This is the amount of ETH2 deposited into your account. Rewards earned. This is the estimate of the ETH2 you've earned since you've started staking on Coinbase. These rewards will be added to your account when the Ethereum 2 launches. Annual percentage rate, that is what APR is. This is the current annualized rate offered for Ethereum 2. Rewards accrue daily but do not compound. This rate is subject to change based on the network and may decrease over time as more ETH is staked. So, pretty straightforward. Let's go back to our home. Let's go look at our portfolio, and we can see that we have right here our ETH2 staked. We converted it to Ethereum 2, and it's just chilling here stake. It's not tradable in our region because we cannot send or sell it because the Ethereum 2 network is not out yet, and we are just providing liquidity to that network upgrade to help them along the way and just give them the funds that they need. So it's pretty straightforward. I like Coinbase. Some people like other places because you could get they don't take as much. I believe Coinbase takes 25% of what you earn on your APR, but I'm fine with that. I like the security. I believe in Coinbase, and if they're going to cover the risk for us, that's fine with me. So that's all I really got for you guys. That's Ethereum staking for educational purposes only. I hope you guys have a good one. It's Jarek LG, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.